Come over here. Okay. Yeah, it's a ball. Mm-hmm. Throw it. Aspen, don't steal it. Aspen.
Can you throw it? Yay! Good job, buddy. Yay!
It's a ball.
Aspen's kind of losing interest. Good job, Hudson. Good throw.
Take it back. Take it back. Is it a ball?
You say ball, Hudson? Ball? Ball? Oh, no, not for Hudson's mouth. There you go. Get your ball, Aspen. Yes. Tell Aspen to go get the ball. Oh, no kissies.
Hudson, throw one of these at her. Throw this at Aspen.
You throw it?
Be nice to dog. We got that cabinet open.
Hey Hudson, you can kneel on your knees now pretty well, can't ya? Hudson, what are you doing? Oh, I see you. Oh.